Got ourselves a 2016 Volvo S60 with some pretty substantial damage to the trunk here. See how far it's actually pushed in pretty good. Yeah, it's a lot better angle. So, pretty tricky one, but this one will actually come out looking pretty decent once it's all said and done. Stick around and see what we come up with. All right, this dent on this trunk came out awesome. Really happy with it. It's pretty challenging, but yeah, as you can see, one of the things we're looking for is how hard it was pushed in. Yeah, that came out really good. So, happy customer. Call us if you have any questions.